Did Tinubu know it? Can he recite it? It was given to us. That was old model. How many Nigerians can recite it? Even him, did he know it? Can he recite it? God bless him. When you talk about unity, people doesn't unite through song. People, you want to unite with somebody. For example, now, you want to toast, I want to toast a lady. Will I go and be singing for her? Just I see her, I will start singing song for her. Does it make sense? She will leave me there and go. So what we need is somebody that will talk sense. That national anthem or whatsoever is not making sense to us. One, in this country, there is no unity. And there is no way you can unite through songs. If you want to unite with somebody, show the person love. Show love. You want to unite with somebody, you show love. Are you getting it? You use love and do what? To embrace people, to make peace. Are you getting it? To bring unity, not by song. And moreover, the national anthem you are talking about, you say you want to use it to unite Nigeria. Did Tinubu know it? Can he recite it? It was given to us. That was old model. How many Nigerians can recite it? Even him, did he know it? Can he recite it?
He should be able. As the president, as the number one citizen.
Okay, as the president, he should be able, as number one citizen. I bet you the day Tinubu ascended to the throne as a president, number one citizen, Tinubu did not know how to recite national anthem before he changed it. I bet you, I watch it. He could not recite it before the Nigerians as number one citizen. How do you just introduce it and expect us to know it? Just like that. We are used with the one we are used with. And let me tell you, national anthem is not our problem. There is no food. We are hungry. Nigerians are hungry. Things are too costly. Now, I put it to Mr. President. He said you want to unite Nigeria. Okay, good and fine. Let me follow your word. Now, according to your saying, by bringing or implementing that old national anthem, do you know the price of Gary as at that time? The price of rice as at that time? Should we go back to that price? No, if you are going back to national anthem, every other thing should equally go back to that same national anthem. So that Nigerians will eat and belly full and have strength to think.
This is wisdom.
Are you getting it? So that we can as well go back. Because the price of food as at that time of national anthem is better and cheaper than now. What the salary of that time, national anthem that time, the salary, what that money, the worth of it today, every average Nigerian man does not have it in the pocket. Are you getting me? Yeah, that is just simple truth. It's a simple truth. If Mr. President wants the Nigerians to clap for him, to see that yes, actually you want to good for the nation, for the people, by changing, by wasting Nigerian money, by wasting Nigerian money to bring that national item, it should as well include the price of things of that time. I am talking to Mr. President and all of them that sign it and implement it. They should reverse back, just the way they reverse back to national item. They should reverse price of things likewise, then I know that they are serious and they meant good for every Nigeria. That unity they are talking about, you will see that Nigerians will be smiling. He don't need it, he have already created it. We will make peace within ourselves. I could remember before APC, before now, you will go to any Yoruba shop or Igbo man shop where they are selling food stuff. Gary is the easiest thing you can ask of, and nobody will query you. And they will ask you, go and take. They will not give you, they will say, go and take. But do you know that when APC ascend the throne, they kill somebody either in a bad or because they carry Gary? Are you getting it? They say it's thief Gary. Hello, go and check Gary 200 naira. Only, you know, go belefu you, not to talk of extending it to somebody else. Are you getting it? So, if Mr. President and the clue meant well for Nigeria, they should not only reverse to old national item given to us by the white man. So they should equally reverse the price of goods to the very price of that time. Listen to me, my brother. Labour Congress, I'm in support if they can stand on their feet. Because the kind of Labour Congress we have now is not the same the kind of Labour Congress we had before. Are you getting it? Who truly carry the masses at heart and along. So if they want to stand up for this strike, they should do it in a proper way and stand by their word. I'm a man of policy. And I like men who are not being controlled by bribe or the riches of rice or 1 pint of Gary or yes now bribe. If you know what is good, stand out and do it. I believe both in Quran and in Bible they talk about truth. Are you getting it? Even in the Babalawo side, in the other side of life, they still have truth there. So let us face the truth. If Labour Congress is truly fighting for the benefit of Nigerians, they should stand out on their word and never go back on that strike. They should stand up, let government. Excuse me, who are the government? What is the meaning of democracy? Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Do you know what that means? Opinion of the people are what the government used to rule them. Definitely, government must listen to the cry of the citizens. The citizens are the government. We decide what the things we want. Are you getting it? So the government should listen to us because we are the foundation of their governance. We are the one that send them there to represent us. Not that we send them there to dictate for us. Are you hearing me? We did not send them there to dictate for us. We send them there to listen to us and to give report to us as well and to respond to our opinions, our desires. So Labour, if they know what is good, they should do it and get the right thing done for the benefit of every Nigerians. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Lesotho is doing well. That does not mean that they want to spread this government. No, anything can go on anywhere. And what is this saying? These are what we are talking about. Putting sentiment into what is not supposed to. Those guys, I watched the video clip. Those guys drove. They were not in a hurry and they shot the police. They shot the military men. And you are saying this thing. And I want to say this. Gradually, Nigerian military are going to unleash the attack back to them. Because how can you go and attack a military, 4 military that are not against you, that are doing their own, you went and attack them? It's not fair now. I want to say this. The Igbos should watch their back. They are the one causing the problem behind them. If they don't watch their back, they will scatter them.
I know that the military, they will retaliate. Not just let go like that.
They will retaliate. But the thing is just that there are ways they are going to retaliate. Just watch and see. Just watch and see. And the police will do their due investigation and they will unveil those people. If the police they will unveil those people. And I know the governor of the state is going to do everything possible so that they can unveil that person. What my colleague has said is immaterial, is irrelevant to what has happened. That's my humble take.
Okay, but the spokesman of the IPOB, Imam Power, has come and said that because the allegation they put the allegation that it's IPOB that are the ones in charge, that don't accuse the soldiers, but they've come and said that it's the wicked politician in the east that did what they did. Maybe that's why your colleague was referring to people that are against OT government. That's what I was trying to say.
I said the police are going to investigate and they are going to come out with. See, this has to do with one of the soldiers. Just watch, within 2 weeks you see they will fish them out. If they can camera it, listen, and they will get every one of them. Go and mark my word, I will come back and I will tell you. They will not go scot-free. That's my own humble take. He's not politician, he's not, we will get them. That's my humble take.
Labour Congress has come out to reject 60,000 that the government has offered for minimum wage. They said it's way too small. And the strike will be commencing on Monday, on the 3rd of June. But the federal government has come and said that the Labour Congress, they should have the art of citizen at heart, that they should retake their step as regards the strike.
When I looked at the write-up, of why they are going on strike, they made mention of the minimum wage, they made mention of the electricity, and it's 3 points they laid down. First and foremost, Labour should tell us, the government, and insist that this is the amount they want. Since they stated it, and the government is not ready, I'm going to support this strike. There's hunger in the land. I am 100% supporting it. The only language this government knows is strike. And we await them to see that. Let's see whether they will be able to push them. That's my own humble.